Digital Pairs International and her partners present Digitest 2010, the largest IT-based creative camp and competition for children and teachers in sub-Saharan Africa, with the team Going Green Digitally. Digitest abroad in Egypt, 1st to 12th of August 2010. Visit the pyramids, the Nile River, and learn more about cool softwares and web application. Digitest Nigeria in Abuja, August 15 to 28, 2010. Visit Wonderland, the National Assembly, and celebrate Nigeria's 50th independence anniversary. Digitest is open to children from 8 to 18 years and school teachers with basic computer knowledge. For registration, visit www.digitalpairs.org, and for more information, call 08077823307. Digitex, showcasing digital excellence.